Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create an Instagram story animation like this. So let's get started. First, create a new comp. I call this render comp, so the preset I use is 1080 by 1920 and the duration 10 seconds. Then import the assets from the Explorer and create an assets folder. Perfect. First drag and drop the background into the timeline and change the scale value to 50. And pre-compose it. I call this to BG. Then drag the round shape into the timeline and adjust it. Then drag the burger PNG into timeline and decrease the scale value to 50. After, drag the curves lines and adjust it. Then drag the light PNG to timeline and adjust it to top side of the frame. Then drag the arm layer and adjust like this. Change the scale value to 75. And set the anchor point to left bottom corner. Now animate the scale and rotation values. Two seconds forward and set the keyframe to scale and rotation, and 1 second ago, change the scale value to 50, and change the rotation value. Select all the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease, and edit the graph like this. Then hold Alt key and press this clock icon and write the wiggle expression, first value 2 and the second value to 7. And pre-compose it, name it to arm01. Now duplicate this composition and drag into timeline, and go to the transform option, and flip horizontally. Now pre-compose this burger layer. After that, type the text like, today's special, and change the font and adjust it to the center. Now apply the warp effect to the text layer. Change the bend veil to -24. And change the warp style. Now pre-compose the text layer. And pre-compose the other layers. And type the title text, to delicious burger. And change the font to Laclede Cat. Increase the size to 100% and change the burger font to the Laclede cat. And increase the size to 300. Change the rotation value to -8%. Now animate the text. I am using Animator Composer free preset for text animation. Download link in the description. Using this position rotation animation preset. Now pre-compose these two text layers. Name it to title text. Then type the text for price. Then select the pen tool and draw a stroke line around the price. Now the shape layer properties. Change the butt cap to round cap, and change the taper value like this. Then animate the trim path. Add a keyframe to the end value around the 1 second, and change the end value to 0. Then select all the layers and turn on the motion blur and convert it to 3D layer. Then create a camera. Preset 35mm and press OK. Then create a null layer and whip the camera layer to the null layer, convert it to 3D layer. Then animate the position like this. Select both keyframes and press F9 for easy ease and edit the graph. If you like the video, so please subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.